Hey guys, Tamno here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. This is something you're interested in. Make sure to keep on watching. So guys, this is not a first impression video. I have had this serum for good 7 months and it's about to finish. I just have like 2 uses left. So this is like my final thoughts on this product. So yeah, let's jump right into it. This serum is described to be a skin soothing serum for sensitivity, redness, dehydrated skin, irritated skin, hyperpigmentation, etc. Who's this recommended for? It's recommended for all skin types from dry to acne prone skin. So it's for everybody actually. How much is this particular serum? It retails for $42 and you do get a 30 ml bottle. One thing with Glow Recipe is their packaging. They don't just make good products, they also give us, very fun, cute looking packaging. I'm going to do a hand swatch for you guys. I'm just going to take a little, this is a gem, we can't be wasting it. So it's a light green product. So just like how the cap color is, that's how the product is. So even if I come so close, you guys won't necessarily see the color. So from here, probably be looking like white. So it's a pale green, mint green. I believe that's it, mint green. Okay, so it's a really lightweight serum, really lightweight. And let me just blend it in. When you're blending, it dries down really fast. I thought to mention that it does dry down really fast. That's all for the hand swatch because I don't want to waste my product. For the price point, you have to be careful of how much you use when you're doing reviews, like hand swatch, that's what I mean. Okay, so for face swatch, I'm going to take 2 full pumps. And this is what the product looks like. So it's not too thick, not too runny. Inconsistency. We'll come back to how it smells. Normally it's good for you to apply this to like areas where you're treating, like for example if you have like redness on this area, you can just apply it there. I just like to circulate my product everywhere. So if there's changes on one particular area, I get to know. It has just gone in so well and it's quite tacky, but not in a bad way. I just like it. There's this soft plumpy feel it gives the skin. It's not oily, it's not greasy, it's just really nice on the skin. So let's check the smell of this product before I jump into the ingredients. This serum claims to be alcohol free, fragrance free, and essential oil free. To me, there is fragrance. Honestly, I don't need to sniff it. I'm still getting that green tea and aloe vera smell. So the key ingredients are glycerin, niacinamide, avocado oil, rice bran extract, ginger root extract, turmeric root extract, tocopherol, grapefruit extract, and green tea extract. So there's a bunch of extract in this product. So definitely you expect the smell. I want to let you guys know that this product really actually works. Like I introduced a friend of mine who has acne, which she has improved so much. Like this year has been, her skin has just been so good. And yeah, that's because she's been doing a lot of treatment on her skin. But when I introduced her to this serum, which she almost didn't take, my girl was literally blown. Is this serum worth the purchase? I tell you, if you want something that works, sometimes it costs more, sometimes it costs less. But in this case, this cost more. That's about $42. It may not be more for you, but something is more for me. But because of it works, I can repurchase this, or I will repurchase this, honestly. So this serum works for redness. Does really work for redness. Also, when you pair this serum with CeraVe ointments, guys, mad. I'm going to also review this soon, but I want to wait for when it's really cold for me to review this. When you pair these two products together, these two gives me a good result. With all that being said, I know you guys will find this video helpful. I know you find the video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, still let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Also let me know in the comment section if you've used the Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum and your general thoughts about Recipe as a brand. Do you find this brand amazing? Do you find it overpriced? Do you find that the products do not work? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, guys. Bye.